look what we got here. My friends at Wyzona sent me these running boards because since I've lifted the Bronco and put 37s on it and stuff like that, the wife and kids struggle getting in and out of the Bronco. So I'm not the biggest fan of running boards, but if it helps them get in and out, then I'll do it. So we're gonna check it out. Alrighty. Oh. Well, this package pretty good. There's a lot of tape. All the bolts, instructions. Here's what we're looking for. Whoa! Oops. Anyway, these are nice. Nice and sturdy. Cool star on them. I think these are pretty sick. Here's what they send you in this package. The 2 running boards, and then all the hardware that you need to install it. Things off, we gotta take off the rock rail. So I'm using a 13 millimeter into 10. 13's for the frame bolts, the 10's for the body bolts. 6 hex nuts on the rocker panel and 3 hex bolts in the body frame. It is hot outside. I'm already drenched. So all the bolts are out, so it should just come out. There's the old one. A lot of dirt on there. One thing I missed that I'll save you the trouble is those rock sliders are attached to this bracket. There's 2 of these brackets under there, and you're not going to be able to mount that underneath there. So you got to make sure you take these off. 13 millimeter. Putting that side, that running board on the Bronco, first thing you're going to do is you're going to use these big black bolts with a spring washer and a flat washer. There's going to be 3 of them that attach the 3 to the frame before you're going to do the 6 body. So we'll start, see if I can do it myself, I don't know. I think hopefully I can get up there and get one in and I'll hold it and I can do another one, so we'll see. For the rocker panels, the silver, smaller bolt, hang washer, flat washer, nut. 6 of them. Try, because it's a very tight fit in here, in the brackets in the rocker panel. I'm going to use some bent vice grips or some bent pliers, see if that helps. Down. There it is. We made it to the end of this. Thanks for watching, but I need some AC and some water. It's 100 degrees out here. See you guys later.